Let us see how to solve this question. A teacher has finished grading of the exams of 2 by 9th of the students in a class. Of those students whose exam have been graded so far, 3 by 4 have passed. What fraction of the remaining students must fail their exams so that in the end, the overall ratio of students who pass to those who fail is 2:1. So, let us assume the total number of students to be x, and until now 2 by 9 of these students have been graded, and we are also given that out of these 2 by 9 students 3 by 4 have passed the exam. So the number of students out of these 2 by 9x that have passed can be calculated as 3 by 4 into 2 by 9 of x. If 3/4 of these students have passed the exam, then 1/4 of them has failed the exam. So the number of students that passed the exam until now can be calculated as x by 6, and the number of students that got failed can be calculated as x by 18. Now, if 2 by 9 of the students have got graded, the number of students left to be graded can be calculated as x minus 2 by 9 of x, which is 7 by 9x. Now, we are given that after grading all the students, the number of students who got passed to the number of who got failed has a ratio of 2:1. So out of the x students, 2 by 3 of them got passed the exam and x by 3 got failed the exam. Now, what fraction of the remaining student must fail the exam? So out of this 7 by 9x, we are asked to calculate the number of students that has to fail the exam so that this condition is satisfied. Now, until now we have x by 18 students that got failed the exam. So out of the remaining students, the number of students that has to fail the exam can be calculated as 6x by 18 minus x by 18, which is equal to 5x by 18. So the value of n is nothing but 5x by 18. So out of the remaining students, the number of students that need to be failed can be calculated as 5x by 18 whole divided by 7x by 9. That is equal to 5x by 18 into 9 by 7x. We get the final answer to be 5 by 14. So the correct answer is option B.